lake. It's a party over there, y'all. It's a party over there, really. But I'm over here. Orlandeaux is the French fry. Y'all, they clowning out here, y'all. They clowning out here. They clowning. It's Orlandeaux. We in the back, y'all. We in the back having a party, y'all. This is where me and my jig hanging out at. At the bonfire. Those Zydeco music be feeling out here on the lake, y'all. God is good. Is that a drone? What is that? I don't know what it is. Yeah, it's beautiful out here, y'all. Beautiful out here. Show y'all the crowd. They got all kinds of parties out here. They throwing beads out here. They throwing balls out here, y'all. Got my cousin DJing out here, Fruge. Orlandeaux in the crowd dancing. Got people over here celebrating. Chilling. Got the own fire going. And we can't wait. Still going live. Tell y'all how we do out here on the lake.
So can we just talk about where we're going before we get lost? Let me out first, get what we want without knowing I feel like it before I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk and figure out where we're going, for better or worse? I'll make it work. You the stormy bad weather, baby, you know you work. Open up and talk to me, wanna be till it hurts. Take my hand and walk with me, pray to God that it works. I know you're better off, but girl, let's make up. Let's talk about the things that's on your mind. I wanna know how you feel. So girl, what's the deal? Take my hand, baby, let me show you the real. It's 7 o'clock on the dot, I'm in my drop top, cruising the street.